Hi, my name is Timi and I'm the president of the Goodman Data Analytics Students Association. Goodman Data Analytics Students Association, also known as DASA, is led by a team of passionate Goodman students. DASA aims to enhance its members' understanding of data analytics and its applications for making better data-driven business decisions. Our goal with DASA is to create a community that is passionate and competent in the use of data analysis through interactive workshops, career information sessions, networking events, conferences, and competitions as well. This past week, DASA partnered with the Brock Digital Scholarship Lab, also known as DSL, to bring undergrad Goodman students an unparalleled learning experience with several statistical and visualization tools such as R, Python, and Microsoft Power BI.
Hi, I'm Daniel Brett. I work for the Brock University Digital Scholarship Lab. I'm here today because we just had a great collaboration with DASA, the Data Analytics Student Association, where we ran a pair of workshops on Python, and they are going to then take the students that learned Python with us and run a challenge for them with an exciting cash prize. This collaboration is going to involve quite a few events like this, and hopefully more into the future and in the years to come. This is going to be very beneficial for both of us because the Brock University Digital Scholarship Lab, our whole goal is to reach as many people with as many new tools as possible.
Hi guys, my name's Jaden. I'm a third-year BBA student. The looping aspect was something new that you guys introduced me to in Python, so it was very interesting and I'd love to see the applications of it, and I'm starting to also understand the differences between all the platforms.
Data is something that everybody has to work with throughout their daily lives and in their jobs. And it's not just for the business students. Everybody is going to need this in their lives.
It gave me a lot of insight into the world of coding, and it's really opened my mind up to all of the new world of opportunities that you guys really showed me to. And I have a basic understanding of how it works and a great foundation upon which I can build on.